Jai Sriman
Go to your personal apartment room and behave that you are mad at, you are very upset with your husband. By the time your husband comes, you wear all bad clothes and with so much of anger and upset, you just sleep on the floor. Even if you see your husband, you pretend that you did not see him. You should not be talking to him. That is how you go ahead and start behaving like that. So Mandhara gave all the action plan to Kaikeyi. Mandhara, who started teaching so many bad things to Kaikamma. Now she is saying that, "Ho Kaika, because you are most beloved wife of Dasharatha Maharaju, if you ask him to jump into the fire, even if you ask like that also, he would jump into the fire. To that extent, he likes you so much, and he cannot see you mad also. He cannot see you upset. That is why, Ho Kaika, for sure you should ask, you must ask for Sri Ramachandra Vanavasam. Once you ask, once you get that boon from Dasharatha, everything is now gets settled down for you. You will be able to enjoy so many things. So make sure you are asking for Rama Vanavasam. Like that, Mandhara taught so many things to Kaikamma and finally convinced Kaikamma. Then Kaikamma is praising Mandhara's ability, saying that, "Oh Mandhara, you have been with me for so many years, but I never realized that you are so great. And I never realized that your intellect, I never realized your smartness." Like that, Kaikamma appreciated and praised Mandhara so much, and from there Kaikamma went into the Kopa Gruham, the room which is known as angry room. The moment you get upset, you can go inside that room. That means it is understood that you are not happy. Into that kind of room, Kaikamma went as per Mandhara's instructions and suggestions. There Kaikamma slept on the ground. Now Dasharatha Maharaju, after delegating all the duties among so many people about Ramapattabhishekam arrangements, finally he left the court, he left the assembly hall and coming to the palace of Kaikamma. While entering into that Antahpuram, the palace, he started calling Kaika, Kaika, like that. But Kaika never responded. Dasharatha Maharaju came into palace, searched here and there everywhere, but nowhere Kaikamma is seen. Dasharatha Maharaju already started feeling some kind of strange things. He is getting some kind of strange feelings. And finally he asked someone who is there, "Where is Kaikamma?" Then he says that Kaikamma is in that room. The moment he said like that, Dasharatha Maharaju felt so much distressed and depressed and so much grief and also kind of fear that why Kaikamma is in that room. That means she is upset, she is mad, she is angry. With those kind of feelings, Dasharatha Maharaj entered into that room where he found Kaikamma is sleeping on the ground and all over her ornaments and everywhere spreaded all over in that room. Then slowly Dasharatha Maharaju trying to console and trying to talk to her with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, while enjoying the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami, while recalling all the divine qualities of Sita Ramachandra Swami, as per instructions of most compassionate Paramasiva, let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.